Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lucy. Welcome. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day today. And today I'm doing something that I hope it's gonna be a new series on my channel. Get ready with, and basically I wanna follow YouTube tutorial of celebrity, influencer or whoever. And today I thought I'm gonna play safe and I'm gonna follow Rihanna makeup tutorial that was posted on Vogue. And when I say play safe, well, I'm assuming Riri will use Fenty products and she will not surprise me with something that I don't have. So I got shit ton of Fenty products in front of me. My iPad is ready, so let's glam up with Rihanna. Video is a little bit over 10 minutes, not long, we can do it. Yes, entrance.
No.
Oh, we are going straight to the foundation. Oof, well, forgive me for moisturizing. Well, she's using the regular Fenty foundation. I'm gonna use the hydrating version.
Okay, that's only half of my face.
Girl, your face is yellow. Like, her face doesn't match the neck. Like, really, what's up with that? I'm not a queen of color matching, but she's yellow. Or maybe it's just my screen. If so, sorry Riri, put me on the Fenty PR list, please. For the contour we are going with matchsticks. I have one in shade Amber.
Very important to contour your face for your face, not the way you see on every YouTube tutorial, because everybody has a different shape.
True.
I have a huge forehead, so I like to go in a little deeper down here. Hide that. You know what I'm saying? Very important to go into the hairline too, because I hate to see that white line between your forehead and your hair.
Same, hate that line.
Naturally. And up and down the nose. Contour always starts off.
I hate nose contouring.
Crazy. Hide that double chin. Yes. I learned how to contour when I gained weight.
Girl, you don't have to tell me twice.
Real handy. Them fat days and your cheeks looking like baby cheeks, you just got like, see that look. You always want to do a triangle when you're doing a contour under there.
What? Wait a minute, what triangle? I need to rewind.
This
Okay, I'm going with shade Linen.
First, just like that. And then like one little swipe. Everybody knows concealer's made for hiding bags and dark circles and hangovers.
Okay, this is too close to my natural skin tone, so it doesn't show up as much as on Riri.
Really depends on
and I've noticed that she doesn't put concealer very close to lower lash line, so I'm trying to avoid this as well. Oh, finally powder, because my face is melting. It's so hot in here. I actually don't have the blotting powder from Fenty, so I'm gonna use It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. She's using quite a small brush, so I'm gonna do the same.
Always in my purse. I can never leave home without this. And if it doesn't fit in my purse, then I'm changing my purse. I need to warm up this face a little bit.
Oh, I feel so much better. Now she is using bronzer, and she didn't mention the name of the bronzer, so I'm gonna use her bronzer in shade Shady Bees.
A little more finesse on the forehead over here. You guys can see it's not that difficult. It only takes me long when I'm procrastinating.
Using bronzer as eyeshadow. Love that idea.
I just start to come to life a little bit.
It will give you this nice, cohesive, effortless look.
And my nose contour. Because I'm black, you know, that's a very special nose. Next.
Ooh! Yes! I have it!
Beach, please.
Beach,
Get it?
please.
Yeah.
We get it.
I'm gonna start with the pink on the lids.
I love this shade.
Sunset, love, drama, bitches. That was easy.
Alright, bronzer or lower lash line. Love that as well.
Really determines how I'm gonna apply this. Most days you just wanna go right by the lash line. But like a day like today where I've barely had any sleep, I'm gonna get all those little bags right there. But the creases, they show up. If they're there, they're gonna show up. Like, see that right there? Now I have to blend that out.
Cute, cute, cute.
This is the fun
Okay,
part.
and now we are
This is
going
the
for
same
the
color.
orange and cheek hugging brush.
Blush is also
Okay,
something
on my
that
skin,
can,
obviously, it's
you know,
way more
just kinda
intense.
Give a little natural vibe, give a little bronze, like a little hint.
Girl, the shine
Sometimes you just want a
is
little
real.
Like right now.
Yeah.
Like I want to give you guys a vibe. And my vibe for summer is more is more. I'm using this really like cool brush, which I like to call my shark toothbrush, but it's a cheek hugging brush. It's made perfectly for your cheek.
We know, Riri. We know. Okay, that's blinding. I don't have this one.
I really carried away when it comes to highlight.
I'm gonna go for Sandcastle. That's kind of similar.
Highlighters all the time. But there's a technique to it. You just have to figure out.
Oh my god, this is blinding. You can see me from outer space. Okay.
The same brush.
Nose bridge.
Boom. I can even take this and go into my brow bone, just like that. I think the key to highlighter is not being afraid of it.
We are definitely not afraid of highlight in this house. Okay, girl, I agree. Inner corner highlight is a must. I don't know what she used, but let me think what I can use instead. Okay, so to keep this on brand, I'm gonna use her...
Look at that.
What's the name of this? I don't know. Her crayons from previous winter collection. Oh, that might be too silvery. We put so many different shades on our face that I'm actually not mad about this cold tone silver with orange, pink and all the rest of the rainbow. Okay, lashes. We actually didn't see that step, but I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty Mascara, obviously. And I'm not gonna go for falsies this time. I know what's happening.
It looks
Again,
pink right
she
here.
didn't mention the name,
See how over the
so
gold?
I'm gonna go with her lip gloss shade Fussy.
Guys, I mean you guys.
I mean you guys. And the final step, Body Lava. Well, I have it here,
It's a brand new one.
but my outfit is not ready to... Ooh. But my outfit doesn't allow me to show any skin, so let's skip that. Oh my god, Body Lava on Riri looks so good.
Inspiration behind
Her face is still
Body
yellow.
Lava for me,
Girl, ask
I
Priscilla
always
for
think
color
it's
match.
important. I mean, I think I'm ready. Woo! Where are we going tonight?
Yes, Riri, where are we going? Probably nowhere, because we are in quarantine. Okay, the video is over. Did we learn anything new today? Well, not really. I like the layering of highlights and I like to apply highlights on my lid, but this is something that I've been doing for ages, basically since I got obsessed with highlights. I don't think I've ever put 3 different highlights on my cheeks, and definitely it's a vibe. Overall, I'm not mad at this look. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this look, and if you have any suggestion whose tutorial I should follow next. And that's it, my beauties. See you on the next one. Bye!